Over the next few minutes, we will explain how to create receipts in purchase orders. We use a receipts entry screen to record receipts of items. Receipts can be recorded by either referencing an existing purchase order or by creating a non-purchase order receipt. It is possible to record additional costs, such as freight, during receipt entry. It is also possible to receive items against multiple purchase orders and to create multiple receipts against a single purchase order. You can also invoice the items if the invoice information is available. Let's have a look at creating receipts in purchase orders. From Purchase Orders, PO Transactions, select Receipt Entry. In this example, we're going to create a receipt against an existing purchase order. The receipt number in this case will be automatically assigned. You must specify a vendor number. Notice there are 5 tabs. Let's have a look at some of the key fields that exist in the Receipts tab. If you're creating a receipt from an existing PO, use a finder or manually enter the PO number. Notice, fields in the header will auto-populate, and the items will display in the Details section. It is possible to override the existing data with newer values. When creating a receipt from an existing PO, it is not possible to add additional line items to the Details section. To receive in the items, we can click the Receive All button to quickly receive all the items in the PO. Or to receive the items line by line, you can scroll through the columns or zoom in on all these details by selecting the row and clicking the Item Tags button. Here, we can see all the fields on one screen. Notice what happens to the Quantity Outstanding and Completes PO fields when I change the value of the Quantity Received field. If a detail line item is marked as Completes PO, once posted, you will not be able to modify this line item. Click Save. Let's look at the next line item. We will receive 2 of the 3 items. Notice the quantity outstanding is 1. To cancel this outstanding item, type 1 in the Quantity Cancel field. In this example, we want to receive in the 1 outstanding item at a later time, so we'll leave the quantity outstanding as 1. Click Save and Close. Back in the Receipt Entry screen, if the invoice was received with the items, click Invoice to enter the vendor invoice number. Let's have a look at the Taxes tab. Here we can view and change, if necessary, vendor tax details. In the Additional Costs tab, we can reference a vendor and specify additional charges such as freight, and specify discounts as well as view a summary in the Totals tab. Once you verify the amounts, click Post. The receipt can be printed if desired. This is how you create receipts. Congratulations! You now know how to create receipts in Sage 300.